So today's video, I wanted to do a very basic back to school makeup tutorial because back to school is happening soon. So I wanted to do a fast makeup look for you guys when you are in a hurry to go to school, when I'm in a rush for class, like when I go to class and I'm in a rush. This is basically what I do, and it is super basic because it's quick and easy, and I want to share with you guys what I do when I need to hit the road fast. So anyways, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to prep my skin. This is the Soy, S-O-O-A-E. I don't know how the hell to pronounce that, but this is the Revitalizing Rose Mist. I really, really like this, and it smells really nice, and it refreshes my skin. It kind of reminds me of the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. So I'm gonna let that set into my skin. So this is gonna be a basic makeup tutorial for when you wanna go. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. So my eyebrows are super thick already, so I don't really have to do anything to them. If you do have thinner eyebrows, you can fill them in, but when I'm in a rush, my eyebrows are, you know, I just need to brush them out, and then I take eyebrow pencil, and this one is by Jordana. This is their Fabu Brow eyebrow pencil in medium brown. It is super light, but I just fill in the sparse areas just lightly, and I don't really go in with a dark eyebrow pencil because unless I'm looking for that defined shape, then I would just go in with my Tarte one. But I just needed to fill in a little bit of the sparser areas that I have in my eyebrows. So, and then I just brush it out, and it looks a little bit more put together like that. I take my NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel, and then I set it. And I like my eyebrows just kind of crazy, so that's just how they are. They will do whatever they want. Okay. I do have to get my eyebrows plucked, so my sister usually does that for me. So I have on my eyes is just one shadow all over, but I do put a base on because I feel like it makes my eyeshadows stay on all day and I don't have to worry about it, especially if you're having a long period, like if you're at school all day. Like for me, my classes run from 12 to like 4, which isn't that long, but I remember when I was going to school 3 times a week and I would be there from 12 to 10, so your girl was tired. So this is what I used just so I can feel put together and not so crazy looking. I'm gonna use the Warrior palette by Juve. I am just going to apply Kano, which is this one, and then I'm gonna apply this in my highlight just so I can get some dimension and it makes me look more awake and put together. When you kind of get used to this, it goes by really fast. So I'm just gonna take a flat brush and I'm just going to apply Kano all over my eyes like that. It is a very pigmented eyeshadow, just so you guys know, but I like it just because it adds a little bit of something, like I actually tried, as opposed to not really having anything in there. And then when I go to highlight my inner corner, you know, this is really simple. I'm gonna take a clean brush. Well, you bet, clean brush. Take this brush and I'm going to buff that out, and it literally looks like you actually did your eye makeup, but you just apply one eyeshadow and then you're good to go, you know. So right here I'm gonna just go in a little bit because that wakes up my eyes, and then I highlight my eyebrows. I'm gonna go back with that brush and I'm going to blend these two together. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply my eyeliner and my mascara really quick. I'm gonna prime my face with the Cover FX primer. This is the blurring primer. What I do like about this is it does remind me of my Baby Skin primer, which I am absolutely in love with. I've actually really been liking this primer, and it does do a really good job of hiding my really big pores that I have on my nose. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply that all over my skin. And a primer helps to create a barrier on your skin, so then that way the makeup has something to stick to. It also allows the foundation to stay on a lot longer, and it just creates a blank canvas for your foundation to go on after that. So I'm excited because I get to try out this foundation. This is the foundation by El Maquillage. This is the I Woke Up Like This foundation base. What is it called? Flawless Base Foundation. And this one is in the color 180. Ooh, is this my shade? Hell yeah. I did get a little bit darker because I went to the beach. So far so good. I think I might have pumped too much though. So a little bit goes a long way. It is super liquidy. I'm gonna finish setting my makeup with my It Bye Bye Pores translucent powder because I love it. This is my favorite. I'm not gonna put any concealer on because I want to see how it plays just by itself. Honestly, I don't think I need concealer on today, so. Okay. Some days I don't wear concealer, you know? I don't need it. I'm gonna use Benefit's Hoola to bronze my face. I do want to use a darker version of Hoola because I think it'll be really nice. Ooh, I added way too much Hoola there. A little bit on my nose, a little on my forehead. On days where I don't need bronzer, if I don't have time, I won't put bronzer on. I will just put blush on and I'm good to go. So I'm gonna apply my blush. It's by Note. This is their Luminous Silk Compact Blusher in the color Desert Rose number 05. Really like this shade. It's super pretty for like summer and fall time. Look at how pigmented that is. Ooh, I like the way that this looks with this foundation. Like, it's so nice. Set it. I'ma set it and forget it. Setting spray, it's amazing. The Nude Stick Magnetic Lip Crayon in Vino because I'm feeling a little spicy today. Boom. That is basically it for this makeup tutorial. Super quick and super easy. This is basically what I wear to school every day, or I would switch out my lips for just a basic lip gloss, depending on how I feel. But I like the way that it balances everything out. And anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, or Twitter. And I will leave all my links down below so you can go ahead and follow. It's super hot, like super hot in here. I flew. Excuse me.